In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix echo on Google Meet. If you've ever been on a call where you hear your own voice coming back at you or there's a strange hollow sound, you know how distracting it can be. The good news is that there are a few simple habits and settings you can use to quickly reduce or completely remove that echo, and we'll walk through them together step by step. Let's start with the easiest and most effective habit: muting your microphone when you're not speaking. On Google Meet, you'll see a microphone icon along the bottom of the screen. When you're listening and not actively talking, click or tap that icon to mute yourself. This prevents your microphone from picking up sounds from your speakers or your environment and sending them back into the meeting. It might feel like an extra thing to remember at first, but it quickly becomes second nature. A helpful tip is to unmute only when you have something to say, then mute again once you're done. This not only reduces echo, but also cuts down on background noise like typing, fans, or people talking nearby. Next, using headphones is one of the most reliable ways to prevent echo entirely. When you use built-in laptop speakers, the sound from the call can loop back into your microphone, creating that feedback effect other people hear as echo. By switching to wired or wireless headphones, all the audio stays in your ears instead of bouncing around the room. If you have a headset with a built-in microphone, that's even better because the mic is closer to your mouth and less likely to pick up other sounds. Once you plug in or connect your headphones, just make sure Google Meet is using them by checking your audio settings inside the meeting. Most of the time it will switch automatically, but it's worth a quick look. If you can't use headphones, the next best thing is to lower your speaker volume. High volume makes it much easier for your microphone to pick up sound from your speakers and send it back into the call. Try gradually turning down your volume until you find the lowest level where you can still hear everyone clearly. This small adjustment often makes a big difference. You might also angle your laptop or external speakers slightly away from your microphone so the sound doesn't travel directly into it. Finally, be careful about having multiple devices joined to the same Google Meet in the same room. For example, if you and a coworker are sitting next to each other and both of you join the same meeting from your own laptops with microphones and speakers on, you'll almost certainly create echo or a loud feedback loop. The simplest fix is to have only one active audio source in the room. That can mean muting the microphone and speakers on all but one device, or having one person join with audio and everyone else in the room either mutes completely or uses headphones. If you need to share a second screen from another device, that device should join the meeting with the microphone muted and the speaker volume turned all the way down. By getting into the habit of muting when you're not speaking, using headphones whenever possible, keeping your speaker volume reasonable, and avoiding multiple active devices in the same room, you can dramatically cut down echo on Google Meet and keep your calls clear and professional.